Hey, what's up, my fellow hustlers, CrawlQ agency plan holders, and all the lifetime deal higher tier plan holders. So get ready for some game-changing news. Yes, I'm very excited really, and this has been long due, believe me. So we are here about to modernize the way you really collaborate, share with your team members, with your clients. Now using this share button, you can collaborate or onboard multiple team members, and you can really scale your business either having an army of VAs or onboarding new clients. You get lead, you onboard them, and you set up them for their success in their content marketing. Trust me, it's as simple as it gets. Okay, so let's dive into this step by step. So the step one, open up your My Workspace page. When you log in normally, you also land on this page, right? So open up My Workspace page and locate the share button all the way here, right? You can visualize the moment you click it and the excitement that you can have to share it with your new team member, right? So here it is. A screen will pop up and you can select your team member. So for example, if I want to share with one of my team member, here I created myself as a team member. You can think of them as a client also. You can also select multiple of them, right? So you have multiple selection. I select one of my team member and I decide to share this 3D printing workspace with them. So I'm here, and next step, I just need to spot this button, just select them and press this button, confirm. Okay, the moment I confirm, you will get a success message. Okay, so you can choose, as you can see here, you see here success message, workspace successfully shared with Harish.Kumar, and if you select multiple, you will get all the people whom you have shared it. So you choose one or multiple team members or clients to share the workspace with. This workspace is already verified. We have trained Athena on it, and if something that you wanted to think like transfer of this locked workspace, right, that they can't change, obviously you can give them instruction in our next update. We can also make sure that you are able to lock this workspace as an admin so they cannot change any aspect of the market research. So once you hit the share button, as you have seen, you will see a successful message pop up, and that's where you confirm the transfer. Once you transfer this, it's not possible to reverse back, so that's not right now the case. And now it's time for verification. So I will log in as a team member, or simply you can ask your team member or give them heads up that this workspace is now available and it's time to start exploring the content creation with CrawlQ. Yes, so that's exciting news. They should be awaiting from you, and this is exciting news that I really want to share with you. You can really build your consulting empire by this collaboration mechanism, right? And as an admin, you have full control. You can access also these workspace that you have shared them. Remember, whatever you're sharing, this is a snapshot at this point in time. When you update something significantly, you can again share it, but then it will replace whatever you share with them, right? And when you share every type of content that you have created, blog post or the market research, this is shared as it is, right? Okay, so we will this is time for verification. So I will log in as a team member and show you how this workspace will look like when it is shared. Okay. Before I log in, I want to remind that this is one-way transfer from admin to team members, but you don't need to sweat it, because as an admin, you can always go here on this tab, collaborate and scale with your team members, and you can still access your teams or clients account. You can keep them guiding throughout the process. or you can build content for them. And you can also give them demo content and generate more leads. And once they get hooked up, you can start sharing more knowledge and ultimately handhold them or transfer with them or co-create with them. There are multiple possibilities. So you can always access your team members account. When you access as admin, you will access their latest account, right? The progress that they have made, everything you can access here and check here. But remember, you can't make changes, because whatever change you make, you are making the change in your own account. So if you make changes, make change in your own account and then transfer it to your team member. If you want to see their progress or access, you can always access this account here. And once you access, you will see the transferred workspaces as well. So this is a long list, and 3D printing is appearing there as well. So let me now log out. Let me log in as a team member with an email. So once you log in, you will see that 3D printing is already transferred here. And since I was testing in this account, so you see a lot of transfers that I did in this account. And as a team member, I will not have now access to the tab because as a team member, it's not possible to look into what other team members are doing. So not across the team members, and also one client cannot look what is happening with the other client. That is kind of Chinese wall that you want to have, and you want to have as an admin full control on what your team members or clients are doing. So that was it. You can anytime test it, and if you find some issues, you can always provide me feedback. You can see that there is no tab, share tab, so they cannot further share it with other people once they are logged in as a team member. So that was it. This is really exciting, and don't wait for it. Test it and let me know what is your feedback. Let's get ready to skyrocket your consulting business like never before, right? So just start. Remember, your success is my success, and your success is just a few clicks away. Okay, so my friends, daily hustlers and agency people, let's go for it. Okay.